Oh, hello. My name is Steph.
And I'm Andreas.
And we are from the Calibrate studio. So, continuing on from our lower limb activation series, Quadriceps version, we are going to go into a second exercise called the reverse Nordics. So, for this one, a little bit different to all of the other activation exercises, the mini band is actually not around our lower limbs, even though we're activating that part of our body. We're going to place the band around our wrists, and what that is going to do is help Dre pull the band apart, keeping it in front of his chest and at shoulder height. From there, our starting position, he's actually going to come up onto his knees, so standing all the way up. His toes are driving down into the floor, and his heels are in line with the rest of it, okay? So they're not dropping outwards because I don't want the alignment of your knees and your ankles to go off. I want it all to be in a straight line, so think of your heel going straight over into your knee. From there, at the top of the movement, I want Dre to squeeze his bum as much as he can. As he squeezes his bum, his rib cage is drawing in again, so he's hollowing that stomach once again. You can see his shoulder blades are actually winging just a little here, so I want you to try to flatten that out. There we go. Without flaring the chest. Perfect. So from there now, he's keeping that tension already. He's working hard through the upper body. This is a great full body exercise. All he's going to look to do is drive the toes down, and he's going to lean the whole plank backwards. So he's actually moving from the hips, not from the shoulders. So he comes to where his limit is, hold right there at the bottom. Hold for 5, 4, 3, you do not compromise form, 2, 1, come all the way back up, keep that same position there, and lower back down. So you want to lower as low as you can come down without changing the shape of your plank. No arching of the back. Keep that hollowed inwards for 5, 4, 3, bring your head back a little bit, 2, 1, come back all the way up. I will not make him do a third one, but you get the picture. So this is going to be a fun one for you to do at home. If you find this actually really hard to do with the mini bands, feel free to actually ditch the mini bands for the first set and then try to increase the resistance later on. That's really just to get your upper back firing at the same time as your quads, so you just get your whole body working at the same time. But if it's too hard, we'll just show you one regression without the band. So Dre's going to leave the band alone. He's going to do the same exact exercise, but this time putting his hands on his hips. So when he's at the top, he can actually monitor his hip position as he comes backwards. So he's going to lean back, making sure this stays tucked under, rib cage tucked in. And as he lowers down, it's like he's trying to lie back over here, hold there for 3, 2, 1, and all the way up. So that's going to really stress out your quads. You're good there, you can take a break. Really tire out the quads, but making sure you're not going too far past your limit, because the likelihood of you arching your back to overcompensate is going to be very high. So again, start conservative and then build up from there. I hope you've learned something today, and please stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.